Hello everyone. Today I, Punatika Batra, faculty from Management Department of Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on expatriate selection. Expatriate selection is one of the most important aspects that relates with international human resource management. Let us all understand who are expatriates. Expatriates refer to those individuals who are working away from their home country on a short-term assignment that usually stretches from 1 week to 6 months, or on a long-term assignment that usually stretches from 6 months to 5 years. They return to their home country after the completion of their assignment. Expatriate assignments may be managed in different ways. It can be home country based, it can be headquarters based, or maybe host country based. Well, let us discuss what are the various factors that affect the selection of the expatriate. The first one is technical ability. Technical ability refers to the technical skills and ability of a person to perform the required task. International firms focus on relevant technical skills during the expatriate selection process. The second one is cross-cultural and relational skills. Well, that refers to the ability of the expatriate to adjust and operate in a new environment and deal effectively with his or her peer group, subordinates, clients and seniors. The cultural ability includes cultural empathy, adaptability, diplomacy, language ability, positive attitude, emotional stability and maturity. This all becomes complex when an individual is working in an alien environment. The ability to cope with environmental variables is another important factor when we talk about expatriate selection. In context to international environment, the knowledge about the host country is of extreme importance to an expatriate. The expat should be knowledgeable about the taste, fashion, preferences, attitude, belief, practices and traditions of the host country. Another important factor to be considered while selection of expatriate is the family situation of the individual. The adjustment ability of the expat's family in foreign environment is one of the most important aspects to be considered. After selection of the right candidate, and of course before expatriating them to the foreign land, the organization should be considering certain points, like providing cultural and language orientation to the selected employee, like authorizing pre-assignment visit for expatriate and spouse so that they can find the appropriate accommodation, investigate with respect to the schools and shopping centers. The company should also provide local contact information to the expatriate and his family so that when they move to the foreign land, they can be welcomed. The company should assign home country mentors who are familiar with the challenges of expatriation to help the employee for his assignments. The company should also provide employee assistance program at the host location. Company should also provide explicit job description so that the employees know precisely that what is expected out of him and what are his responsibilities. So I hope all of you are clear with what are the various factors that relate with expatriate selection and what are those important points that a company need to consider after it has selected a suitable candidate who is supposed to be expatriated. Thank you. Have a nice day.